We are in an extremely digital age. Look all around. Robotics is the future and robots are everywhere, at home and at the workplace. You can find robots in manufacturing, hospitals, and on farms. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) puts robotics engineers in its category for mechanical engineers. The organization's projections show 9% job market growth from 2016 through 2026, which is as fast as average. The BLS expects the addition of 25,300 jobs over the forecast period. Gain a competitive edge in the field of robotics for your child or yourself by becoming a premium robotics member. Perks of becoming premium robotics member include member-only robotics videos, robotics engineering tutoring and mentorship on robotics projects. This membership is the brainchild of renowned robotics engineer, Cash Willis. Cash Willis is a McNair Scholar and National Science Foundation STEM Scholar. Become a member by subscribing to this channel and then clicking the button Join.